Good day, guys. To the channel. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting on our GBP JPY for this new year session. So let's do the analysis we did. You can see that we're expecting a buy from this bottom, right? I told you that GBP JPY will definitely buy from this bottom here, and it's eventually did. The reason is that this was the demand zone. So in order for you to stay updated right on GBP JPY, all you just have to do is subscribe to the channel. So when you click on the subscribe button, click on your notification bell, and you can also follow the Telegram channel. I'll put the link in the comment section to stay updated. Now that is it. Let's see what will likely happen this new year session. So this is a major rejection zone, which is a support level. Markets eventually came here and pushed up. Markets dropped again, rejected, pushed up, came back to test the same level, and now it has eventually pushed up. You can see that it has been rejected from this bottom multiple times, which is our support level. Now market is at this major level, which is our resistance level. So be very, very careful, as markets will likely drop from here. Can you take a buy and expect it to go up? Absolutely yes, it's likely to do that, but with this being a major level here, be very careful breaking above it, as markets will likely break and drop. So that is it on a 1 hour time frame. So if this is the push up, this is the pullback, this is also the push up, then it will be smart or wise to expect that pullback. So we are currently trading at 203. Let's see that pullback come to a level of 202. So we're expecting a little bit of a drop on GBP JPY. What next will happen? I'll give you guys the updates.